Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a text box without borders in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then you can write anything. Now I am write some text. You can increase the size of text. Select the text and go back the home menu and increase the size. Now we can see here the text box have a border. You want to remove this border, go to the shape format menu. Select the shape outline, choose no outline. Now we can see we insert a text box without borders in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.